Every decision you delay costs 3 things: time you'll never recover, confidence that erodes daily, opportunities that move to someone faster. You think you're being careful, you're actually bleeding. Most people assume slow decisions are careful ones. They're not. Every minute you stall is a minute you're not acting, testing, or learning anything. Those delays compound decision fatigue and drain the energy you need for choices that matter. Here's what makes it worse. You're not aiming for the right decision. You're trying to avoid the wrong one. Your brain treats each choice like a threat. What if I regret this? What if there's a better option? That isn't decision making. It's self-protection disguised as thoughtfulness. The system that made me decide 10 times faster is the 10-60-90 system. 10 times faster means choices that once took endless hours now take about a minute. I timed a week of everyday decisions, then used the system. My decision time dropped sharply with no loss in results. Here's how it works in real time. Start with 10 seconds and ask, is this reversible? If it is, pick the option that gets you moving fastest and act. If it isn't, give it up to 60 seconds and ask, 6 months from now, will this matter? If the answer is no, decide and move. If the answer is yes, you've earned 90 seconds. Narrow to your top 2 options and choose the one that will teach you more, not the one that feels safer. Then commit. 3 time frames, 1 filter. Escalate time only as the stakes rise. Research often turns into permission to delay. Hours of comparison rarely beat the learning that starts when you act. Don't confuse preparation with progress. Starting today, time your next 5 decisions. When the timer ends, choose and commit. You'll likely find the fast decisions perform as well as the ones you overthought, sometimes better because you moved while others were still thinking. The bleeding stops when you decide. 3 simple rules, 10 to 90 seconds. Apply the system to your next choice and notice the difference. You just learned how to decide 10 times faster and stop wasting energy on slow decisions. But what if the real reason you're stuck isn't how you decide? It's what you're avoiding by not acting. Watch Ambitious but Lazy, Give Me 5 Minutes to Fix It, to learn the 4-step system that beats procrastination and gets you moving fast, even on your worst days.